Aloe vera is a wonderful medicinal plant and is loaded with antibacterial and antiviral properties. However, it has so many usage and it can be found very easily as well. But not many are aware of its health-boosting benefits. Before we start, remember to click like, share and subscribe. Let's start! First, soothe burns and heal wounds. Whether it's sunburn, burns, cuts or scrubs, aloe vera is the best. Applied to wounds, aloe gel is a mild anesthetic, relieving itching, swelling and pain. Second, eases intestinal problems. Aloe vera juice can be very effective for treating most digestive conditions. The juice helps to detoxify the bowel, neutralize stomach acidity, and relieve constipations and gastric ulcers. Third, reduces arthritic swelling. Aloe vera gel can reduce pain and swelling of arthritis. And drinking aloe juice also helps to inhibit the autoimmune reaction associated with certain forms of arthritis, in which the body attacks its own tissues. Do you want to know more? Let's continue. Fourth, lowering blood sugar levels in the blood. Aloe vera can be part of a successful program in treating diabetes. Aloe juice can be taken several times a day between meals to help heal the pancreas and liver. Fifth, lung congestion. Aloe acts as a powerful expectorant when the lungs are congested. Blend the jar of aloe with lemon juice and water and drink freely during the day. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.